Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into the nitty-gritty of using Zoho Project for your email marketing campaigns. To kick things off, you'll first need to create a new project in Zoho. The reason we do this is to keep all your campaign-related activities in one single, organized place. Simply log into your Zoho account, go to the Projects tab, and click on New Project. Fill in the necessary details about your email campaign, such as its name, description, and due date. Now that we've set up the project, it's time to add tasks. This helps us stay on track with our email marketing campaign steps, like designing the email, writing copy, and setting up the mailing list. To add a task, click on Add Task under your project, fill in the task details, and assign it to a team member. Next up is collaboration. Zoho Project allows you to invite team members to your project for seamless collaboration. You can assign tasks, share files, and discuss ideas all within the platform. This is crucial to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. To invite a team member, select Users from the Settings menu and click on Invite Users. Once your team is on board and tasks are in motion, it's time to track progress. Here's where Zoho Project shines. It offers various tracking features like Gantt charts, task lists, and timesheets that provide a visual representation of your project's progress. You can access these from the Reports menu. This step is vital as it helps you stay on top of deadlines and ensures that no task slips through the cracks. Finally, let's talk about communication. Zoho Project offers an integrated chat feature that allows real-time communication among team members. This helps to resolve issues quickly and make decisions faster. Click on the Chat tab on your project dashboard to start a conversation. Now that we've covered the steps, you're all set to use Zoho Project for your email marketing campaigns. Remember, planning and tracking are key to a successful campaign, so make full use of Zoho's features to achieve your marketing goals. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.